Imagine waking up one morning, checking your phone, and seeing breaking news that an AI tool just replaced thousands of jobs overnight. For millions of Americans, this is not science fiction anymore. It is reality. Over the past few years, artificial intelligence has exploded into almost every industry, from customer service to content creation, from coding to design, and even healthcare and law. But here's the big question nobody is answering honestly. Is AI coming to help humans or replace them? And more importantly, how can you stay safe and make money in this new AI-powered economy? Today, we're diving deep into the real battle between AI and human jobs, and I am going to reveal the best side hustles Americans are starting right now to future-proof their income before it's too late. Right now, companies across the United States are investing billions of dollars into AI automation. Businesses love AI because it works 24/7, never takes vacations, never calls in sick, and costs way less than hiring employees. Major corporations like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are already integrating AI into daily operations, and smaller businesses are following fast. In fact, research shows that nearly 40% of current jobs in America could be affected by AI automation in the next decade. That sounds scary, but here's the truth most people don't realize. AI is not just destroying jobs. It is creating entirely new income opportunities. The people who understand this shift early are the ones building wealth right now. Let's talk about why side hustles are becoming the new financial safety net in America. The traditional idea of working one stable job for 30 years is slowly disappearing. Rising inflation, layoffs in tech companies, and unpredictable economic changes have pushed millions of Americans to search for additional income streams. The smart workers are not waiting for AI to take their jobs. They are learning how to use AI to multiply their income. And today, I'm going to show you exactly which side hustles are safest from AI replacement and actually powered by AI growth. The first safe and booming side hustle is AI content creation services. Every business in America needs content, social media posts, blog articles, marketing videos, and advertising copy. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Claude can help create content faster than ever. But here's the catch. Businesses still need humans who know how to use these tools properly. Companies don't just want AI-generated content. They want strategy, storytelling, emotional connection, and brand voice consistency. That's where freelancers are making thousands of dollars per month offering AI-assisted content services. People are charging businesses to manage social media accounts, write AI-enhanced blog posts, and create marketing scripts. The reason this hustle is safe is simple. AI can generate content, but humans control creativity and strategy. Another powerful and future-proof side hustle is AI automation consulting for small businesses. Across America, millions of small business owners are confused about AI. They know it can save time and money, but they have no idea how to implement it. This has created a massive opportunity for freelancers and entrepreneurs who learn how AI automation works. People are making money by helping businesses automate customer support using chatbots, automate appointment booking, automate email marketing, and streamline daily operations. Many automation consultants charge between $500 to $5,000 per project. And here's the best part. You don't even need advanced coding skills because modern AI automation tools like Zapier, Make, Com, and Go High Level are beginner-friendly. Now let's talk about one of the fastest-growing income opportunities that is exploding right now. Faceless AI YouTube channels. Thousands of creators in the US are building YouTube channels without showing their face or using expensive equipment. They use AI tools to generate scripts, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnails. Some creators are earning thousands of dollars per month through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorship deals. The beauty of this side hustle is scalability. One successful video can generate passive income for years. AI helps speed up production, but human creativity still decides which topics go viral and how videos connect emotionally with audiences. Another extremely safe hustle is AI graphic design and branding services. AI design tools like Midjourney, Canva AI, and DALL-E are transforming the design industry. But instead of replacing designers, they are empowering creative entrepreneurs to deliver work faster and serve more clients. Small businesses constantly need logos, branding kits, marketing graphics, and social media designs. AI tools can generate design ideas quickly, but businesses still rely on human designers to understand branding psychology, target audience preferences, and marketing strategies. Many freelancers are now building full-time income using AI-assisted design services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. One of the most underrated but high-paying opportunities is AI online course creation. Americans are spending billions of dollars learning new skills online. People want to learn AI, marketing, investing, freelancing, and digital skills. Using AI tools, creators can research course topics, generate lesson scripts, design presentations, and even create marketing funnels. Course creators are making passive income selling digital knowledge. This side hustle is extremely safe because AI cannot replace human experience, storytelling, and personal teaching style. In fact, AI makes course creation easier than ever before. Let's shift to a side hustle that many people overlook: AI prompt engineering services. Businesses and content creators are realizing that the quality of AI output depends heavily on the quality of prompts. Skilled prompt engineers know how to communicate with AI tools to produce high-quality results. Some freelancers are getting paid to create custom prompt templates for marketing teams, content creators, and software companies. This field is growing rapidly because companies want consistent and optimized AI performance. Another future-proof hustle gaining popularity is AI personalized marketing services. AI allows businesses to analyze customer behavior and create targeted marketing campaigns. However, businesses still need marketers who understand human psychology and emotional triggers. Freelancers who combine AI data analysis with human marketing strategies are helping businesses increase sales dramatically. Email marketing, social media advertising, and customer personalization are becoming huge income opportunities powered by AI insights. Now here's something important most people ignore. The safest jobs in the AI era are not the ones competing against AI. They are the ones collaborating with AI. The biggest mistake people make is fearing technology instead of learning it. Throughout history, new technologies have always replaced certain jobs while creating new industries. The internet replaced many traditional businesses, but it also created social media careers, e-commerce empires, and digital marketing industries worth billions of dollars. AI is following the same pattern. Let's talk about mindset, because this is where success truly begins. The people who win in the AI economy are not necessarily the smartest or most talented. They are the fastest learners and most adaptable thinkers. Learning AI tools today is like learning how to use the internet in the early 2000s. Those who adopted early built massive wealth. Those who ignored it struggled to catch up. Right now, America is going through another technological revolution, and side hustles powered by AI are becoming financial insurance policies for smart workers. Another incredible opportunity Americans are exploring is AI virtual assistant services. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners are overwhelmed with tasks like email management, scheduling, customer support, and research. Virtual assistants using AI tools can complete tasks faster and manage multiple clients at once. This hustle requires organizational skills and communication ability, making it extremely resistant to full AI replacement because clients prefer working with real people. Let's also discuss AI affiliate marketing, which is growing massively across the US. Affiliate marketers promote software tools, online services, and digital products while earning commission for each sale. AI helps create promotional content, blog posts, and video scripts, allowing marketers to scale faster. Many Americans are building passive income streams by reviewing AI tools and recommending them to business owners and freelancers. Here's something many experts predict. Hybrid skills will dominate the future job market. This means combining human creativity with AI efficiency. Writers using AI editing tools, Designers using AI concept generation. Marketers using AI analytics. Coders using AI development assistance. The winners will not be humans versus AI. It will be humans using AI versus humans ignoring AI. If you're wondering how to start safely, the best approach is choosing one AI-powered side hustle and mastering it step by step. Start by learning free AI tools, practicing with small projects, building a portfolio, and offering services on freelance platforms. Many successful freelancers started earning their first AI income within months of learning these tools. The future of work in America is changing faster than ever before, but change always creates opportunity. The biggest risk today is not AI replacing jobs. The biggest risk is ignoring AI while others are learning and earning from it. The smartest workers are not asking if AI will take their jobs. They are asking how AI can help them build multiple income streams. As we move toward a more automated future, financial security will depend on adaptability, digital skills, and willingness to learn. Side hustles powered by AI are not just temporary trends. They are becoming essential survival strategies in the modern economy. The people who start today are positioning themselves for long-term success, while those who wait may struggle to compete later. So here's the final truth. AI is not the enemy. AI is a tool. Just like electricity transformed industries, AI is transforming careers. The real question is not whether AI will replace human jobs. The real question is whether humans will learn to work alongside AI and build smarter, stronger, and more profitable careers. The future belongs to those who adapt, learn, and take action. And the best time to start building your AI-powered side hustle is right now.